I'm excited to show you our pair of products, Lecture Scribes Server and Lecture Scribes, and how they work together to make presentations more accessible anywhere in the world. What makes Lecture Scribes special is that it doesn't matter where your audience is. Someone could be sitting right in front of you, way in the back of the room where it's hard to hear, or even across the globe, and they can still follow along in real time. Let's start with Lecture Scribes Server. It runs on any iPad or iPhone using iOS 17, 18, or the new iOS 26. The server captures your voice, whether it's through a Bluetooth microphone, an audio feed from a mixing board, or just the device's built-in mic, then instantly converts your speech into text and streams it live to the cloud. Now let's look at Lecture Scribes, the app that your audience uses. It works on both iPhone and Android and lets everyone read the transcription of your talk in real time. Left is running Lecture Scribes Server. That's the one capturing and transcribing the audio. The phones in the middle and on the right, an iPhone and an Android, are both running Lecture Scribes, showing the live text as it comes through from the cloud. For this example, we'll use an episode of Neil deGrasse Tyson's Star Talk as our presenter. As you'll see, each sentence is picked up, transcribed, sent to the cloud, and immediately displayed on the audience's devices. When the presentation ends, Lecture Scribes automatically lets your audience know.
This is Star Talk. Neil deGrasse Tyson here, your personal astrophysicist. And today I've got an exclusive one-on-one conversation reserved for only those people who are not only important, but are also a friend of mine. We got with me in studio, Bill Nye.
Greetings, Doctor.
How you doing, man? Got a bow tie on and everything. You're just completely that guy.
I am that guy.
The science guy.
What you see is what you get.
And did you tie your own bow tie today?
Yeah. Can you imagine? Bill Nye wears clip-on tie.
That would be a funny skit.
Bill Nye decided to end his career and lose respect from all his fans.
I want you to know, if I ever see anybody with a bow tie, I ask them if it's real. And if they say not, which is about 2/3 of people.
See what he did there?
I say, I'm going to tell Bill Nye on you. And then they shudder because
They can wear clip-on bow ties. That's fine. I mean, I just think it's not in the, as we say, the spirit of the game.
I flew my ass out here to Los Angeles. We are now in your office of the Planetary Society, Pasadena, California. The same town where this society was birthed.
A true fact.
So
give
me a fast birther story on this.
So Carl Sagan had been very influential in getting Voyager, the Viking landing on Mars, and the 2 Voyager spacecraft launched.
And just for historical completeness, there were 2 missions of Viking lander and a Viking orbiter.
Yes.
And so it could photograph the surface.
Yes, amazing, really amazing visionary ideas. And so he noticed that public interest in space exploration, especially planetary exploration, was very high, but government support of it was waning. And he had this big idea for a solar sail spacecraft.
It's the 1970s now.
1976.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the disco era. And that was set aside for more human missions.
And it's not just for live sessions. Audience members can go back later and read the full transcription of past presentations anytime. Lecture Scribes Server also gives you handy options, like adjusting transcription speed, changing the font size, or opening the Getting Started guide. Audience members have similar settings on their devices. The best part? Lecture Scribes runs on iPhones and Android phones up to 10 years old, and it works beautifully on iPads as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy seeing what Lecture Scribes can do.